Hello, we remade the pigment layout for you to play with. So, as you can see, there's lots of faders. On the top right, you'll see two arrow buttons that lets you navigate through the presets. Here we have 4 faders. They all control the macros affected to the preset. On the left, there's the envelope amp. On the top, there's 2 2D faders. They all control the filters. The first one is located on the left and the second on the right. The frequency cutoff set to X and the resonance to Y. 2 purple buttons let you turn them on and off. In the middle, we have 3 rows of faders, all linked to FX's mix. The rate fader on the top left is the master volume. The Erae 2 layout and the pigment MIDI config are available on our website in the download section. To load the pigment profile in your VST, click on the wheel setting, go to the MIDI panel and click on the MIDI config, then on import config. Then you'll just have to select the Erae MIDI config file. And that's all for today. Have fun exploring pigments with your Erae 2.